Techtonic is a software developer. You're training people, not necessarily to stay with Techtonic. Tell me how this works.
Sure. So about 5 years ago, we were realizing that it was getting harder and harder to hire developers just for ourselves. And we also had this notion that the best software developers that we had ever met didn't necessarily come from a traditional background. And so we thought that we could find people who just had a real ambition and desire to be software developers and teach them the skills they needed to be great on the job. And we started looking in lots of unexpected places. We formed partnerships with nonprofits and foundations and our workforce boards, and we're based out of Boulder, Colorado. And we started bringing these folks in, and we called it an apprenticeship program, kind of tongue-in-cheek, because that's what we were doing. We were finding people with different backgrounds. We liked the blue-collar connotation to it, and we started calling it an apprenticeship program. And we soon realized that it actually had a federal designation to it. And so we went out and tried to get approved by the Department of Labor, and they had never approved a software development shop as a DOL apprenticeship program. And so it took us about 18 months to get through the process, but we did, and we became the first software development apprenticeship program in the United States. And the way it worked initially was that we were just creating talent for ourselves. And it was working so well that our clients started asking about how they could participate in it as well. And so now the way our model works is that someone will come to us and we'll develop software for them, but we'll also build them a team that they can actually hire in-house. So we've now become this services company and also a talent pipeline company for our clients.